I'm Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. I'm here with my customers John and Shannon and their new granite countertop installation. What do you guys think of your new countertops?
We love them.
You guys allowing us to bring our flooring samples and cabinet doors, and that was great. It was a great visual to know how our cabinets would, or our kitchen would actually really turn out and look.
What do you think of the fit of your countertops?
They fit
Perfect.
wonderful.
They're perfect. They're awesome.
What do you think of our installation crew?
They were great. Real professional, quick, great.
One final thing, can I ask you guys for a Google review?
Yes, definitely.
Awesome. Our installers rely on that Google review for a portion of their pay. But
Perfect.
I'd like to thank you guys both for your business.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.